Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as you know, nowadays technology is progressing at a very fast rate. Everybody is making use of computer in all the fields to increase the speed of work. We are also going to see the use of computer in calculation work. So in today's topic, we'll see about the working of Excel and how to make use of formulas. You all know that Excel is an application program that is used to perform calculations and solve mathematical problems. MS Excel is equipped with numerous features like formulas, functions, and AutoSum that help in performing calculations in an easy, fast, and efficient manner. So let's see how to work with formulas and MS Excel. So let's start. Now, first of all, we'll just see how to make use of simple formula and what is a simple formula. Now, a simple formula is an expression that is made up of numbers, arithmetic operators, cell addresses and parentheses. ठीक है, सिंपल फॉर्मूला जब भी आप लिखते हो इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ नंबर्स, अर्थमेटिक ऑपरेटर से बने होते हैं, सेल एड्रेस उनमें लगे होते हैं एंड ऑल्सो द पैरेंथेसिस दैट इज ब्रैकेट्स. ठीक है. Now next slide में we are just going to see कि what are the components that make up a basic Excel formula. ठीक है. Excel formula लगाने ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ components use ਕਰੋਗੇ. First of all, we'll make use of operators. Operators में mathematical operators like plus, minus, greater sign, lesser sign, slash, multiplication, raised to power, percentage. These are some of the signs that specifies the arithmetic calculations to be carried out. इनकी हेल्प से हम formulas में functions को काम में लेकर आते हैं. Then cell references. Always in Excel, you are making use of cell references. These are the cell addresses or the cell ranges that contains the values to be used in calculations. जैसे अगर हमने Excel में नेम दिया किसी सेल को A2 ratio A6, that means कि the data ranges is starting from A2 से लेकर A6 तक का data range start हो रहा है and you have to just see only those numbers. ठीक है, it will just give you the answer of those numbers only. ठीक है. Then next one is the constant. They are the fixed numeric or string values. ठीक है. For example 56, 7, 8, 9 ये these are the examples. ये fixed होते हैं, numerics होते हैं या फिर string values होते हैं. अगर suppose कर लो string values में आपको लिखा आ गया hello, ठीक है, और welcome. So these are string values that are used in calculations. Then the next component is functions. Functions are the inbuilt formulas whose meanings and purpose are already defined in MS Excel 2010. जैसे suppose कर लो आपने किसी चीज़ का ऑटो सम निकालना, ठीक है, you will make use of the sum function. अगर suppose कर लो आपने बहुत सारे नंबर में से maximum number ढूंढना, you will make use of the function max. Suppose कर लो if you want to make a use of the minimum number, सबसे छोटा नंबर देखना, you will make use of the minimum function. And there are many more functions like subtraction, addition, multiplication and many more. Then always remember that in Excel we are making use of equal to symbol. ठीक है, always the formula in Excel starts with equal to symbol. Then we are making use of parentheses also. Now they are used to enclose cell ranges. For example, sum C1 ratio C4. ठीक है, parentheses no enclose currently we make use of cell ranges. ठीक है, जो आप signify करते हो parentheses में range signify करते हो उनको हम enclose करने के लिए हम parentheses को use करते हैं. Now in next slide में we are just going to see how to create a simple formula. ठीक है, first of all we'll see in PowerPoint मैंने example दी है, then we'll go in Excel also and see कि how to create a simple formula. First of all you just create one sheet in Excel. ठीक है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पर शीट क्रिएट की है, सीरियल नंबर, सब्जेक्ट एंड मार्क्स. ठीक है, so after creating the sheet, just write the marks for Hindi, English, Social, IT and Math. ठीक है, अब आपने क्या करना है कि नेक्स्ट कॉलम में जाकर यू हैव टू जस्ट एड अप दीज टू एड अप ऑल दीज नंबर्स. ठीक है, you have to specify the range. Now your range starts from C2 से लेकर C6 तक का है. So you will write in the next column is equal to C2 plus C3 plus C4 plus C5 plus C6. Now what will happen कि when you will press the enter key, जब enter key press करोगे you will get the sum of these numbers, sum of these columns. ठीक है, so we'll just see in Excel also how to create a simple formula. So let's see in Excel how to create a simple formula. Now in order to create a simple formula, मैंने आपको PPT में भी बताया था कि you have to create some numbers over here. Sheet एक create करके you have written the name of the subject and in front of the name of the subject you have written the marks. ठीक है, now when I'll come over here, ठीक है, यहाँ पर यू हैव टू गिव द फॉर्मूला इज इक्वल टू C2 प्लस C3 प्लस C4 प्लस C5 प्लस C6. सो व्हेन आई हैव प्रेस द एंटर की आई गॉट द रिजल्ट 416. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ सिंपल वे टू क्रिएट द फॉर्मूला इन MS Excel. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू सी कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मूला. Now compound or complex formula में I have given you the example of principal, rate, time and to find out the simple interest for these things. ठीक है, principal amount I have just written over here 25,000, rate 7 and time is 5 years. Simple interest में just see I have given the formula is equal to B2 into B3 इंटू B4. अब ये देखो, ये मैंने ब्रैकेट में इनक्लोज किए हैं, पैरेंथेसिस में इनक्लोज किए हैं एंड /100 आई हैव रिटन. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन कि व्हेन आई प्रेस दिस एंटर की ओवर हियर आई विल गेट द रिजल्ट. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट होकर आई विल जस्ट गेट द रिजल्ट ओवर हियर. नाउ विल जस्ट सी इन एक्सेल ऑल्सो टू डू दिस थिंग. जस्ट सी हियर I have written the formula. I have written compound or complex formula, principal, rate, time I have written. Simple interest में I have given the formula. Just see here the formula is equal to B2 into B3 into B4. ये मैंने parenthesis में enclose किए हैं /100. Now when I'll press the enter key, I'll just get the result over here 8750. So this is how you can just get the simple compound or complex formula. Now the next slide we are just going to see how to make use of text formulas. Now text formulas are used to add characters and string values. ठीक है, characters और string values add करने के लिए we make use of string text formulas. Now joining of strings is known as concatenation. अगर किसी string को हम join करते हैं that is called as concatenation. Strings can be added using and symbol. So we'll just see one simple example over here. Let's say I'm going over here. I have written here I have written here I love, and in the next column I have written my country. ठीक है, and in the next column again I'll just increase the size of this column and I will write over here. Just see the range over here. First of all, the range over here is F8 and G8. So I will write here is equal to F8 and G8. ठीक है, now when I'll press the enter key, just see here I just got the answer I love my country. Because I have joined the two strings F8 and G8. F8 और G8 range को मैंने join कर दिया and I just got the result I love my country. ठीक है, दोबारा मैं erase करके दिखाती हूँ. Now let's say I have written F8 space and G8. ठीक है, I have to give over here equal sign also. Now when I'll press the enter key, Just see here, I just again got the result, I love my country. ठीक है. So this is how you can make use of the string constant also. ठीक है. Now in the next slide we are just going to see how to make use of cell reference. Now a cell address in a formula is known as cell reference. Cell reference is used for identifying a cell or a range of cells in a worksheet. References help to look for the values which are to be used in a formula in different parts of a worksheet. ठीक है. We'll just see ki how many types of cell references are there. There are 3 types of cell references: relative, absolute and mixed cell reference. Now turn by turn we'll just see how to make use of these cell references. First of all, we'll just see relative cell reference. Now, it is based on the relative position of the cell contained in the formula. Our spreadsheet reference by default is known as relative. Now, let's say I have given you one simple example over here. I have created one progress report. And in the progress report, I have written roll number, name, and the names of the subjects. Then, in order to find out the total, I am just going to give the formula over here. Formula में मैंने लगाया is equal to sum C4 ratio G4, क्योंकि आपका डाटा जो है C4 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है और G4 तक आ रहा है. ठीक है. So I have given the ratio over here, C4 ratio Z4. So when I'll click over enter key, I'll just get the result 387. ठीक है. So let's see in Excel how to make use of the relative referencing. Now, in order to make use of the relative referencing, I have just created the sheet over here. Sheet में you can see कि roll number, name, and the names of the subjects are written over here. Now, if I want to calculate the total of this, so what I'll do is I'll just give the formula over here is equal to sum. आप देखो आपकी रेंज यहाँ पर स्टार्ट हो रही है C3 से. ठीक है. C3 से लेकर F3 तक. So you will write here is equal to sum bracket में C3 ratios F3. So you will close the bracket and when you will press enter key, you will just get the result 218. Similarly for the other columns also, you will just drag it and बाकी results भी आपको अपने आप ही मिल जाएंगे. So this is how you can make use of relative referencing. So next slide we are just going to make use of the absolute cell reference. Now what is an absolute cell reference? When the cell address is not changed in a formula, जब cell address formula में change नहीं होता, while copying it to other cells, it is known as absolute cell reference. You can add a dollar sign in front of the row address and column address to make the absolute cell reference of a cell. So we'll just see in MS Excel how to make use of this absolute cell reference, right? So just see here, I have created one sheet over here and I have written progress report, and in the progress report, I have written roll number, names of the students and plus the marks obtained in different subjects. Now we'll just make use of one simple concept over here. Just say suppose कर लो, in the progress report, the class teacher has decided to give 10 marks to all the students. ठीक है. ये जो 10 marks है टीचर ने डिसाइड किया है कि सारे बच्चों को उन्होंने देने ही देने हैं. As they all completed the discipline duties to them very well, क्योंकि उन्होंने discipline duties complete की थी अच्छी तरह से. So these additional 10 marks can be specified using the absolute cell reference. ठीक है, which will be added into the total marks of each child. So what we are going to do is we'll type the bonus marks in H1. H1 में हमने type कर दिए bonus marks. ठीक है. Then I'll select H3. H3 पे मैं गई हूँ. ठीक है. H3 में जाकर I have written the formula here is equal to sum. आपकी रेंज यहाँ पर स्टार्ट हो रही है C3 से. C3 रेशियो G3 कॉमा देन $H$1, क्योंकि यहाँ पर हमने बोनस मार्क्स असाइन किए थे, इस करके हमने डॉलर में H को हमने मैं डाल दिया, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन कि व्हेन आई विल प्रेस द एंटर की आई विल जस्ट गो ऑन गेटिंग द आंसर, ठीक है. सपोज कर लो मैंने ये डिलीट कर दिया, ठीक है. मैंने यहाँ पर जब एंटर की प्रेस की, ये ड्रैग किया ऐसे, तो आई विल जस्ट गो ऑन गेटिंग द अदर रिजल्ट्स ऑल्सो. सो दिस इज हाउ यू कैन गेट the absolute cell reference, ठीक है. You can add a fixed bonus of 10 marks into the rest of the cells till H7 in the same manner जैसे ये मैंने आपको बताया है, ठीक है. So we'll just go on the next slide now. Next slide is mixed cell reference. Now a mixed cell reference is either an absolute row and a relative column or an absolute column and a relative row, ठीक है. ये मिक्सचर होता है सभी का. यू कैन ऐड द डॉलर साइन बिफोर द कॉलम नेम टू क्रिएट एन एब्सोल्यूट कॉलम और बिफोर द रो नंबर to create an absolute row. We'll just see in Excel how to make use of this mixed cell referencing. So next slide, we are just so in Excel we are just going to see how to make use of mixed reference. Now in order to make use of mixed reference, I have written one multiplication table over here, ठीक है. Multiplication table में you can take any table, जैसे मैंने example में लिया है 9, 14, 23, 37 and 59. Now what I'll do is first of all I'll just see the range over here, ठीक है. मेरी range यहाँ पर है A5 में, ठीक है. A5 one number I just want to multiply with this 9 over here, ठीक है. So what I'll do is I'll just टाइप A5. सबसे पहले मेरे पास यहाँ पर A5 में 1 है और B4 में मेरे पास 9 है. सो आई जस्ट मेक यूज ऑफ द डॉलर साइन, डॉलर A5 इंटू $4, ठीक है. B के साथ मैंने डॉलर लगा दिया है और 4 उसकी रेंज है. सो व्हाट विल हैपन कि व्हेन आई ड्रैग दिस नंबर आई जस्ट गो ऑन गेटिंग द रिजल्ट. आई जस्ट go on getting the result of multiplication table of 9. Again when I drag over here, I'll just go on getting the result over here. So this is how you can make use of mixed referencing, ठीक है. एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके you can just get the mixed referencing by making use of the dollar sign, ठीक है. So let's just see here. If you want to see the formula over here, you can just see the formula कि यहाँ पर $A5 into $4, $A6 into $4 अपने आप ये formula लग गए थे और आपको ये result आ गया था. So I hope each and every point is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning everybody.